also the social situation of some communities that live there. For example, the Witoto and others that can you see in there. They depends only the people who go to the Amazon for tourism, but they forget the other activities that he used to do before.
And I also agree that the Amazon have to be protected because it's the biggest resource that we have. It gives us the air we breathe, for example. And it's not only to protect the nature, but to protect the communities it has, because they are almost in extinction. And also we can see in the news that the enterprise want to create repressed or hydroelectrics there. For example, I've heard that there is a big problem in Brazil with the construction of Belo Monte that big enterprise want to do there, and it affects not only the river, a big river affluent of the Amazon, but a community. They are the Xingu people, and what they want to do is to create a big extension of hydroelectric, which affects all that community, and which it has a very bad impact on the Amazon itself.
I agree with both of you. We went to the Amazon last year. I went with Samantha, and first of all, I think everybody has to protect the Amazon for many reasons. Firstly, because in the Amazon you can find the principal natural resource, and this is water. And secondly, because in the Amazon you can see many communities, and these communities are a little bit these communities are weak. So we have to protect. I think a good solution is to make a system with where the human and the all environment can live together, like ecosystem. I don't know. And yeah, that's all.
And I think that with the improvements in the technology that we have, or that we have, we would find like I don't know, another way to not to take the resources of the Amazon, but to create with technology and other ways to solve the things that humans need for live, and not to take it from the nature, or well, take it, but with measures.
I'd like to ask you all a question. To what extent do you think the international community has a responsibility over the Amazon? I mean, you talked about Colombia and our part of the Amazon as such, but what do you think the role of the international community is in this region of the world?
I think in these days, international community don't care about it, because they only pay attention, in get the resources in the Amazon, in my opinion.
No, in my opinion, I think they care. For example, I know Survival International, or Greenpeace, and I know there are many others, but it's too difficult to affront big enterprises who just want money, they just don't care. And I know that those organizations are with they care, but they need the money, and they don't have it, and they have to confront the enterprises, and there's there are problems, but because of money and of interest.
I think the same. I agree with you. I think is some organizations take think it's important to conserve and try to I don't know, try to say to other people that we have to take care from this. But when you go there, you see that the government in some places is not present. I think it's a work that will be do it with the international community and the national. I think it's important to work together for protect and do something. I think the principal thing is first to work for the community that live there. I think they have a lot of issues and problems in very basic to resolve. I think the community there sometimes have to help to extract some resources and animals in bad way for get money to survive. And I think if they will be in better conditions than now, and know the importance of their environment and sources around they can be help to the government and the international organization to protect the Amazon.
Okay, I think we're good. So thank you very much. That's all. If I can have a question, please. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Yeah. Thank you.
Great day.